Five natural ways to reduce and remove unwanted body hair. Every woman is probably obsessed with body hair and ways to use to remove it. Removing body hair is boring and painful process, and it can cost a lot if you are doing it in beauty salon. Women start facing increased growth of hair on the body parts in the period of puberty. The hairs remain on the parts of the body, even though in some women they are almost invisible, while some find body hair very serious problem. Body hairs appear as a result of genetics, hormonal changes and imbalance, polycystic ovaries. Removing body hair doesn't always have to be a painful process. There are some completely natural ways to reduce growth and remove unwanted body hair. Listed below are some of the most effective treatments. Remove unwanted body hair naturally. Mint tea. This one is painless way that doesn't remove the hairs but prevent and slow down their growth. Scientists discovered direct link between regular use of mint tea and lowering the growth of body hair in women. Make sure you drink 2 cups of mint tea a day to get the full effect of it and reduce the amount of hairs on your body. Flour, turmeric and whey. Mix a tablespoon of flour with a pinch of turmeric and add a tablespoon of whey. Apply the mixture on the face and neck. Massage it in for a while, and when it dries remove it with warm water. If you want to use it on your arms and legs, make bigger amount of the mask. Repeat this treatment regularly, and it will reduce the growth of body hairs. This treatment is one form of removing body hair. It will remove and lower the amount of new hairs. You do the treatment by preparing the skin, soaking it in warm water for a while, and then start rubbing with the pumice in gentle circular movements until the hairs fall off. Then apply a hydrating cream or lotion on your skin. Repeat the treatment every day. Sugar and lemon. Mix 30 grams of sugar with 10 milliliters of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 100 milliliters of water. Apply on the face in the direction your hairs grow. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash off with cold water. This natural treatment can help you reduce the hair on the face because lemon juice also can lighten the hair color and lower their visibility. Repeat the treatment once a week. Honey and lemon. Mix 40 milliliters of honey and 10 milliliters of lemon juice and spread the mixture on the face in the direction of your hair's grow. This treatment is similar to the previous one, but better because honey can hydrate the skin at the same time as it removes the hairs and lowers their visibility. You can repeat this treatment once a week.